Good morning class. As we have discussed the chapter 1 of chemistry, that is matter in our surrounding. Now we will discuss the chapter 2, that is matter around us pure? Now in this chapter we will study about matter. How many types of matter we have. So firstly we will discuss about matter, that what is matter. Anything which has mass and occupies space, that is called matter. Now here the substances are categorized into two types, pure or mixture. Now what do you mean by a pure substance? How can you specify that the substance is pure or not? So if it is written over any substance it is pure, it may or may not be pure. For example, we purchased a packet of milk. It is written over there that it is a pure milk, but the milk is not pure. It is a mixture of many components. So the definition of pure substance is here. It consists of single types of particles. So the substance is pure if it consists of only single type of particles. It have only one type of particles, then it is called a pure substance. Now example, sugar is a pure substance because it contains only one kind of pure matter and its composition is same throughout the matter. So sugar is a pure substance because it is same in configuration throughout the matter. For example, NaCl. Another example is NaCl. It's sodium chloride or salt. It is another example of pure matter because it contains the same type of configuration all around throughout the matter. Now the second definition is mixture. How can you satisfy that it is a mixture or not? If a substance consists of more than one type of particles, then it is called a mixture. For example, milk is a mixture of water, fat, proteins, etc. Or many kinds of mixtures are there. For example, lemonade in which lemon, water, sugar, salt, etc. are mixed with each other in different proportions, so that specifies a mixture. Now further mixture is classified into two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Now what do you mean by homogeneous? Homo means same. Homogeneous, which is same throughout the mixture, that is called homogeneous mixture, and which is different in proportions, that is called heterogeneous mixture. Now activity 2.1 is given in our textbook, in which we have four groups: group A, group B, group C and group D. Group A is having a beaker of 50 ml water with one spatula of copper sulfate powder. Now group B is having 50 ml water, same water, with two spatula of copper sulfate powder. In group A, copper sulfate is less. In group B, copper sulfate is more. Group C and group D is having different amounts of copper sulfate. Both are having different amount of copper sulfate, potassium permanganate and common salt. So three kind of matter we have. One is copper sulfate, second is potassium permanganate, and third is common salt. And mix them, they form a mixture. So it is called a mixture. Now we will see and we will differentiate between these three different solutions. Now in first we will see it form a homogeneous mixture. If we are dissolving copper sulfate in water, then it get mixed with each other and form a homogeneous solution. Similarly, group B is also form a homogeneous solution. So group A and B obtained a mixture which has a uniform composition throughout. Such mixtures are called uniform or homogeneous mixtures, which are same or uniform, same or having uniform composition. They are called homogeneous mixtures. Now the next is heterogeneous mixtures. It contains non-uniform concentration called homogeneous mixtures, which have non-uniform composition. For example, in this we are mixing copper sulfate, potassium permanganate, salt in different amount or in different proportions, so they get mixed with each other forming a non-uniform composition, that is called a heterogeneous mixture. There are many heterogeneous mixtures are there. For example, sand is a collectively particles of concrete, cement, etc., and they collectively called heterogeneous mixtures. So depending on the type of mixtures, we have two kind of mixtures mainly. One is homogeneous and second is heterogeneous. So it is all about the substance, kinds of substances, types of mixtures, how can we classify them.